Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you move into a new apartment, you have a lot of tool needs.
This is an all-purpose household repairing toolkit by JEXUGK. We just moved into a new apartment, and no matter what we were doing, installing mini splits, building furniture, this tool set really did it all. It has a variety of screwdrivers, sockets, a hammer, wrenches, lathes, pliers, and tape. And it all goes in this really convenient tool bag that you can carry on the go. The main attraction is definitely the drill. It comes with a charger along with two 21-volt batteries. This impact drill can do so much. It comes with different bits that can easily tighten and loosen with the touch of a button, and it is great for drilling, screwing, and has a helpful light that illuminates when being used. Because it is compact, it easily fits into the tool bag with the main compartment and extra pockets, which makes for easy storage, access, and easy transportation.
So this set was so compact, so powerful, and had everything that we needed to get our new life started here. And that's my point of view.